Hi students, I am Raghunathan, Mathematics faculty. I am planning to start this elaborate course on calculus involving both differential integral calculus. The details of the course, the split up number of sessions is all mentioned herein through the Learnery platform. I'll be meeting you all. The salient features of the calculus course I would like to mention. Point number one, it is based on NCERT. Doesn't mean that it caters only to CBSE students. It would be equally appealing to any student of calculus. And the course comprehensively, I am planning to explain the limits, the concept limit, and how it has to be correlated with the types of functions, and from there on to continuity, thereby gradually building up the foundation required for calculus as a whole. What happens usually during class 12? As a teacher, over my years of rather decades of experience, I can see the students lacking a strong foundation with the concept of how limit or the concept of continuity connects functions with calculus, connects functions with differential and integral calculus. And both the divisions of calculus put together in CBSE plays nothing short of 40%, nothing short of 45% rather of the whole blueprint of the syllabus, marks, allotment. So in the wake of new pattern of the paper, 40% also is allotted to the 1 marks, where a lot of thought-provoking questions including case studies are coming up involving calculus. So without a strong foundation in calculus, the students will find themselves completely out of place. What happens is, once the students start finding even the differential calculus out of place, they tend to ignore calculus. They tend to ignore the whole branch of calculus, and they try to confine themselves to the rest of the chapters in class 12 mathematics, which will be like non-calculus involving algebra, matrices, determinants, probability, vector 3D, etc. That might constitute 55% of the paper, but then the weakness is not overcome. So this session is exclusively meant to address students, meant to empower students in order to avoid this situation, especially during pandemic, where your regular schooling is completely affected and you are dependent on many kinds of online sources. And this would be a very highly useful interactive session. I invite you to join and interact. Once again, if you allow me to lecture, I would be lecturing. So during sessions, in short breaks, let us interact, clear all your conceptual doubts, and yes, gear up for a healthy score in calculus. Thank you. I'll meet you during the course. Bye.